film, making a documentary about how the airplanes changed the world. It was really important to go out and shoot the real world. It's very important that everything was real. If it was possible to shoot it, we wanted to go shoot it. If we couldn't get the shot or the weather wasn't right, we would either go back to that location, stay at that location longer, or it didn't make the movie. It was really important. Every shot was original and that everything was real. But there's a few things, only 3 or 4 shots in the whole film, that are impossible, physically impossible shots.
You must be Oppenheimer.
Yes.
Greatest scientific mind of our time.
Why don't you have a notebook?
They won't fear it until they understand it, and they won't understand it until they've used it.